I am seriously need to reorganize my routine because I'm actually stressed out. And look, this is the obliqua. I don't even know where it's come from, to be honest. And then I find another one back there. And then I find my obliqua over here. I don't know. And then my anisodii are like from somewhere picking up right there. It's really bad. A lot of plant I don't even know. Like this one is falling over here. Look how pretty. I really need to organize because I cannot enjoy my plant at all at this point because they are so crowded. I forgot about some plant too. So it's really need to be. But guys, look at this one. This is, and I knocked this off yesterday. So a bunch of, look at this beautiful leaf. Look at the tricolor on it. Okay, so seriously, I wish somebody live close to me and can come join me and help me because I've been so busy and I really need to get it done. Every time I come in here, I feel very guilty, but I just been so busy. And this guy, look at this. It's like screaming for my help. I really need to do it today, guys. So let's water first and then start tackling down these. Wish me luck. Holy shit, it burned over there. You see the light touch the leaf? I really need to do this.